everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for parenting tips, support new moms and sales. So let's suppose I'm running a baby store and I'm receiving many queries and messages relating to baby products and parenting tips. I'm manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, whenever a user sends me a message, I'm instantly and automatically going to reply to all the queries sent by them. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for parenting tips and support new moms and sales. So here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I am going to send some message like. So I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this reply. Hello new mom, welcome to our parenting tips chatbot. How can I help you today? Now, if I click on any of the buttons, you will see I'm going to get the response. So if I click on parenting tips, I'm going to receive a message. If I click on the support moms, I'm going to receive a message. And if I click on this shop baby product, I'm going to receive this message. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for parenting tips, support new moms and sales. So we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access now. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number from here, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn the step-by-step process, you can visit our YouTube channel. Now here I have already created my Pabbly Chatflow account, and this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So this gives the overview of all the activities, insights and performance matrix. On the left hand side where we can see all these options, I am going to click on this inbox. So this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversations. Next we have this option of contacts. So this manage your leads, customers and their details. We have this team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this templates. So this create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this option of broadcast. So this send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. Next we have this flows. So this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant. So this use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestions. We have the settings. Over here you can see all the options which we have. You can configure account integration and preferences. We have this option of get help. So this access support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now let's go back towards my dashboard and let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot quickly. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards this flows and then click on this flows. Let's open this. Here I have landed towards this flow builder, and you can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You can see all the flows which I have created, and now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. Let's open this. Now before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's quickly name this chatbot to WhatsApp chatbot for parenting tips and support new moms and sales. Now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to quickly go through all the buttons and options on the left hand side because we will be needing all of these buttons and options while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. Now under this message option, we have this first button, which is text button. This button sends a text message along with multiple clickable buttons. We have this media button. So this helps you send images, videos or GIFs. We have this list option. So this shows a list of of options instead of buttons. If you have many options, you can provide this list button instead of keep adding the buttons. If you want to send a catalog message, you can select this button. If you want to send a single product, if you have single product, you can select this button. If you have many or multiple products, you can select this button. We have this option of templates. So this is pre-designed message format that includes text, image, buttons, and links. Moving on to the next option of actions. If I open this, I can see all the buttons over here. The first one is of condition. So this allows you to set logical conditions for branching the conversation flow. We have this ask address. So this prompts the user to enter the address and store it in contact field. We have this ask location. So this requests the user's live location. We have this ask question. So this is used to gather user input such as email, phone, or feedback. We have this ask media. So this lets the user upload images, videos, or documents. We have the set custom field. So this stores the user input and custom variable for later use. We have this add tag. So this assigns a tag to user for segmentation and targeted follow-ups. We have this API request. So this sends or retrieves the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we have this connect flow. So this links the flow to another chatbot flow. We are done with understanding all the buttons, and now let's start creating this chatbot quickly. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to trigger or activate this chatbot, and to do that, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. Here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello, hey, and hi. Hey, press enter, hi, press enter. And now I'm going to enter this regex, which is as important as these keywords. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, we can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. Here I'm going to enter the regex like. So here I've entered the regex, and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format. We have one more option, enter regex to match substring trigger, enable toggle for case sensitive regex. I'm going to toggle this on. So by enabling regex, your chatbot can understand more variation of user messages instead of manually listing out every possible keyword. Here I'm done with adding the keywords and the regex, and my chatbot got activated. Over here you can see that I've sent this first message, hey, I want some parenting tips. So then we have received this message, and then we have received these buttons. When I click on any of the buttons, I was able to receive the next message. So we have to create this in the same pattern. Now what I'm going to do, I have to send the message. We have activated this chatbot. Now to send the next message, we have to click on the circle, drag and drop this, and we have to select the content type. I have already explained you all the content types. I'm going to select this as text plus button. Now over here, I'm going to enter the message like. So here I've entered the message, hello new mom, welcome to our parenting tips chatbot. How can I help you today? Now if you want to provide many options, you can simply drag and drop this list button. As I just want to provide 3 options, I have 3 options. So I'm going to click on add button. You can enter the star in the end and in the beginning of the sentence, and this will help you bold the sentence. I'm going to show you in the real time example once we are done with creating this WhatsApp chatbot. And now that I've created this message, I want to provide the buttons. I'm quickly going to add all the buttons like, here I've added the buttons, parenting tips, support moms, shop baby products. I've created these buttons, and now I'm going to create the message for all of these buttons. As we have seen this earlier, as soon as I click on any of the buttons, I was able to receive the message. So we have to perform the same for this also. Now what you can do, you can also upload the media. For that, you have to simply drag and drop this media button, select your media type, and then build the connection. You can also create the connection like you can select the content type, and from here you can select your media. If you want to upload the image, video, audio, or document, you can select that, and then you can simply click on this cloud and that document will be uploaded. So this is how you can use this button. And we have also one more option of ask question. Now, if you're going to ask the question, you have to enter the message like, please enter your name, and then you have to select the content custom field. Now here, if you're going to ask the name, you have to select this as full name, and then you have to provide the format. If you're going to ask the name, you have to enter the format as text. And then what you can do, you can create a personalized messages out of this. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the settings and then click on this contact custom field. Let's open this contact custom field, and over here you can see all the fields which I have created. I have created the field for the full name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply copy this. Over here you can see contact custom field copied to clipboard, and then I'm going to paste that to my message. And then whenever my customer is going to reply, this is going to get replied replaced. So if I'm going to add this in any message, the question which was asked from the user and they answer that question, this is going to be replaced with that. So I hope this is clear to you. In this way, you can create your messages more personalized. Here I've created 3 buttons and I'm quickly going to add the messages for all of the 3 buttons. So here I've created one message for each of the buttons. For the parenting tips, I've created the message. Here are some parenting tips. And then I've created the buttons: newborn sleep tips, breastfeeding help, parenting hacks. And then I've created one more message for this newborn sleep tips. If you want to extend this flow, you can extend this flow simply by following the same method as I told you. You have to click on this circle, drag and drop the circle, and then you have to select your content type. Just like this, you will be able to create this WhatsApp chatbot. Now the next button was of support moms. So I've created this button. I've asked them what they are going through: sleep deprivation, managing stress, postpartum care. And then I have created the message for this button: lack of sleep can be overwhelming. And then I have provided the buttons. Again, you can extend this flow. You can provide more messages, more details about your store, about parenting tips and all. Now the last button was of this shop baby product. Then I have created this message in which I have provided them that we have this baby gear exclusive discounts and food and essentials. And then when they are going to click on any of the buttons, I'm going to send that relatable message. So if they click on this browse baby gear, I'm going to send this message, and then I'm going to provide 3 buttons in which I'm going to provide them shop now. Now if they click on this shop now, I'm going to provide them with a link of my website from where they can shop the products. If they click on this return to products, I'm going to send them the first message. And if they're going to click on this talk to agent, I'm going to provide them with the support number. You can extend this flow in the similar manner. So here I've created this WhatsApp chatbot. Let's quickly check this once. But before we do that, we have to make sure that the flow is active. If we keep this flow inactive, the messages won't be sent. So we have to keep this flow active, and then we have to save this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So here flow updated successfully. I'm quickly going to open my WhatsApp. So here I'm going to send the message: hey, I want some parenting tips. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here you can see that we have received this message. As I've told you earlier that I've created the message and I have entered the star in the start and in the end of the sentence, and this will help me bold the sentence. And over here you can see that we have bold the sentence. Now if I click on any of the buttons, the next message will be sent to me. As I've told you earlier, you can extend this flow according to your choice and preference. I have demonstrated you how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot. If you have any doubts or queries, you can drop a comment below this video, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope this video was clear to you and you were able to understand this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.